Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can open and save Canva design to Word document. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and go to Canva. Now, first, let's make a document first. So let's go to this one, doc. All right, so let's just wait for it to load. And from this one, let's go ahead and try this one in here. Okay, so for example, this is going to be your document. Now, what you can do is you can go to share, and here you can click on download. So here in your file type, it should be PDF standard. All right, so now you can click on download. Now, once it's done downloading, you can save it to your computer. So I will just save it here in my documents. Now, after that, you can go to Microsoft Word. So let's open Microsoft Word here. And you can go to open other documents. And you can browse for the document that you downloaded from Canva. In my case, it is over here. And click on open. Now, essentially what we are doing is we are going to convert the PDF to an editable Word document. All right, so click on OK. And here you can click on enable editing and click on OK. All right, so here you can actually edit the document in Microsoft Word. So for example, here you can say this one. For example, we have here sample. Now it is going to follow whatever text or whatever font you had on Canva. So here you can also edit all the elements in this document. Okay, so you can type here whatever you want. Now after that, you can save this file. You can go to File and click on Save As. And here you can go to your document. And from this one, you can actually choose what kind of file format you want to save this document. So I will just save this as a Word document here, and I will name this one test doc, and just click on save. All right, so that is how you can open and save Canva design in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.